Everyone, and welcome back to this channel. And today I'm answering the question, is it possible to apply for both an open work permit and spousal sponsorship at the same time? Now today we'll be focusing on the United States, and the answer to your question is yes. It is very possible to apply for both an open work permit and spousal sponsorship at the same time, but the specific conditions depends on your situation and the country you are applying to. So in this case, let's say you're applying to the United States. For spousal sponsorship, also called the green card in the US, if you are a US citizen or a permanent resident, you can sponsor your spouse for a green card, that is permanent residency. This involves submitting a petition for a relative. The form is I-130, along with supporting documents like marriage certificates and proof of your relationship. The process can take several months to years depending on your status and your spouse's nationality. For open work permits, which is work authorization, while waiting for the green card, your spouse may apply for a work permit called Employment Authorization Document, or EAD, if they are in the US under a valid status, e.g. on a K1 fiancé visa or in certain non-immigrant categories. They can only work once the EAD, that is Employment Authorization Document, is approved, and they would not have automatic work authorization during the spousal sponsorship process unless granted separately. In summary, for the US, you typically need to wait for your spouse to receive a work authorization while the green card application is pending.